we can wait for some time. Let's father also can join. So we are doing remaining questions from the yesterday's worksheets. Yes, hello Namrata. We will wait. Okay. So today we'll focus on 3 and 4 marks question from the same chapter. Okay. So you must know all the identities. So based on the identities we can do the further chapter. Okay. Here write down the questions. That is, question is given here 4L minus m whole bracket square minus 4L plus m 4L plus m whole bracket square. Okay, so this is what the equation is given and they are asking us to simplify and factorize this. So here this entire bracket square and this also entire bracket square, but here middle sign is nothing but what? Negative. So can we use this identity a plus b square? Here it will come a minus b square, that is a square plus b square plus twice ab. Okay, and for this middle term will come negative here, and for a plus b whole bracket square we have a square plus b square plus twice ab. So these are the two identities we can use over here. Getting how to apply the identities just by observing the given quantities. Okay, can you getting everyone up to here? Okay, so here two identities we are using to simplify this. 4L, so a square, that is nothing but 4L square plus m square minus 2 into a, that is 4L into m, minus inside this bracket again 4L square plus m square plus twice into 4L into m. Okay, bracket complete. So here 4L m. Okay, this is nothing but AB and here 4L and m is also AB. So 2 will come from the formula itself. Okay, so don't be confused over here. So now you can expand this. 4L is nothing but 16L square m square minus 4 2s are 8 LM minus inside this bracket 16L square plus m square plus again 8LM. Okay, I just expanded. Okay, any other operations we didn't perform yet. So now what we have to do in the next step, we have to transpose this negative sign or multiply this negative sign inside the bracket. Okay, so when you multiply the negative sign inside the bracket, all the terms are what? Get the signs of all the terms are get reversed or interchanged. So we can write here 16L square plus m square minus 8LM minus 16L square plus minus is minus m square minus plus is a minus 8LM. Okay, now check here, plus 16L square minus 16L square get cancelled, plus m square minus m square get cancelled, and here minus 8lm, both are like, both are negative, then we are adding and giving the negative sign. So minus 8lm is 8 plus 8 is nothing but 16lm is the answer. Understood how I apply the identity and how I calculated the answer? Okay, can you getting this? Can you able to understand this question? Any doubts are there? How to apply and how I use the identity, can you getting? So always check what are the things are given, and according to that you have to apply the identity and expand it, simplify it. You should make your basics clear. When you multiply the negative sign inside the bracket, so positive values will become negative and negative will become positive. Getting this? So I hope everyone is writing or taking a screenshot. Okay, chalo, we'll go for the next one. We can write down. Next one you can write down. So next is 15a square b minus 5ab plus 45ab square. 45ab square. You can check now 15, 5 and 45 are all the multiples of 5. So you can take directly 5 out. Okay. So that is also one method is there. And another method, according to the NCERT textbook, we can do step by step. Those who want to do shortcut, they can do. Check how your school will give the marks for this shortcut method. Okay. So I will write here 3 into 5 into A into B minus 5. 5 is a prime number, so 5 into 1 into A into B plus 45. 5 into 3, 15. 15 3s are 45, A into B. Okay, let me check. 45 AB only, no, it's AB square. So one more B will come here. Now if you check this, what all are the common factors? Okay, so 5 is common everywhere. Okay, then 1A is also common. Then B is also common. Okay, now take the common terms out, that is 5AB, remaining are 3A minus 1. Nothing is left over here, so don't write 0, it's minus 1 plus 3 into 3 is 9B. Okay, this is what the answer. This is 3-mark question, so you must have to show these steps. Understood how I did? Can you all getting? Okay, copy this. Okay, write down one more question. I hope everyone took a screenshot or you copied or maybe solved along with me. Check your answer. So now next problem is that factorize 42 ST. So 49 S square minus 36 T square divide by 21st ST inside the bracket 7S minus 6T. So this is what the equation is given. So by observing this, we can feel that, oh my god, it is very difficult. Okay, we can't able to solve. Very such a big question. Okay, so first what you can do here, see the similar term which are outside the bracket. Okay, that you can divide it directly. ST and ST get cancelled. 21 ones are 21 and 21 twos are 42. So here simplified I will write 2 into 49 s square minus 36 t square divided by, I will write 7s minus 60. Okay, now this I will write 49 is nothing but what? 7s. Okay, because 49 square root is 7 and 36 means how much? 6. Okay, so minus 6t square. Okay, divided by, we can write 7s minus 6t. Okay, so can we use here identity? This is nothing but a square minus b square. So we can use here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this we can write, this identity we can use here. So we will get here 2 into 7s minus 60, 7s plus 60 divided by, we can write 7s minus 60. So now check 7s minus 60, 7x minus 60 are get cancelled, and finally we will get the answer 2 into remaining term is 7s plus 60. That's it. This is the answer. So make it simplify yourself. These all are 3 marks question. Avoid the skipping of steps to get full marks. Getting up to here. Okay. Copy everyone. I hope you all are getting these steps, and even you are getting practice also. Okay, copy. I will wait for a minute. Okay, once you finish copying, just message, then we'll go for the next one. Okay, done. Chalo. Now we'll go for the next one. Next one is very important. Okay, the question we have to solve by splitting middle term. These all are 3 marks question. Don't skip any steps, because for correct steps there are allotting marks. Okay. Here question is that find x cube minus 6x square plus minus 26x upon x inside the bracket x square minus 9. Okay. Now we have to simplify this. First, can you take here x common in above term, because x cube, this is 6x square and minus 27x. So in each term it contains x, and lowest power of x is 1. So you can take x common. So here x square minus 6x minus 27 divided by x upon x square minus 9. X get cancelled, and you can write x square minus 6x minus 27 upon x square minus 9. Okay. So x square minus 9 also we can write it as 3 whole bracket square, and afterwards we can apply a square minus b square identity. Okay, first we can focus on this x square minus 6x minus 27. Write down here first x square minus 6x minus 27. So here yesterday also I told you, I explained with the standard equation how to compare, how to find out the coefficient and what multiply by what, so that we can split the middle term. So one more time I will explain you. We are comparing this with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. A is a coefficient of x square and here it is 1. So A we can write it as a 1, B is nothing but minus 6 and C is a constant, that is minus 27. And you have to take a multiplication of A into C, and that A is 1 and C is minus 27. So you get minus 27 and split minus 27 in such a way that their answer should come minus 6. Okay. So how can you split this? Can I write 3 9s are 27 and 9 I will keep minus and plus I keep 3 as a plus. So plus 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Okay. So we can write here x square minus 3x minus 9x, sorry, plus 3x minus 9x minus 27. So here I will take x common. So x plus 3 and again I will take minus and I can take here 9 common. So x minus 3. Minus means plus because minus I took out. So here again x plus 3 is common. I will take it out and here x minus 9 will be there. Okay. So I am getting this. Now once you get this, then you can write here x plus 3 and here x minus 9. And here you can use the identity x plus 3 and x minus 3. So this will get cancelled and you will get the answer x minus 9 upon x minus 3. This is what the answer. Can you getting this? Is everyone is getting? Does anyone have a doubt? Can you able to understand? Yes, who all are there? Can you able to understand the question which I explained just now? Little bit complicated. Complicated means number of steps are involved in this or more. Okay, so think it. Okay, once the problem will come, then always you can think how to solve. Okay, what are the identities we can apply and how to reduce as much as possible. That you have to do it. Understood? Okay, everyone copied now? So can I move for next problem? Everyone is copied? Getting this? Understood? Can everyone is able to understand this? Can I go for next question? Someone can reply in the chat box. Okay, chalo. We'll go for the next one. Write down. Now the next questions are for 4 marks. So here is a question. They are asking use suitable identities and factorize it. Okay. Second one is there, that is 121 y square minus 66 yz minus not minus plus 9z square. And the third they are asking 2a square plus 4ab plus b square. Okay, we have to use the suitable identity and we have to find out the factors for this. So we can begin with the Third one, because it is very easy. Okay. So how to solve this? Check. Here check this term and this term. This is a middle term. So 2a square. Okay. So here 2a square, that means can I write here 2 into a whole bracket square, because root 2 square is 2. Correct. We can't take here 4a square. So this is not a correct way. So root 2 का square होता है 2. So you can write root 2 into whole bracket square plus last term is what here b. So b square. And middle term comes here positive because this is positive. So here b square plus this I will split it as a 2 into 2 root 2 into b. Okay, this is nothing but your a plus b whole bracket square. Okay, so this we can write here root 2 into a plus b whole bracket square. These are the factors, or you can write it as a root 2a plus b, root 2a plus b. Okay, this is what the answer for the third bit. Can you getting? Okay, copy this one.
त्याला पण लागलं आरती पण तुझे कलरिंग करना है? हाँ कलरिंग करना है?
Okay, understood. So finish this, copy this question. Everyone can able to understand. Okay, now we'll go for the next one. Okay, so next one is here. This one, x raised to 4 minus 16. Okay, so I will write here x square whole bracket square. 2 into 2 is 4. Then 16, how can you write? You just do the prime factorization. So here 2 comes 4 times. Correct? So you can write it as 2 square raised to 2. Okay? So like this you can write. So that is 2 raised to 4, that is equal to 16. Okay? So now this is nothing but what? This x square is nothing but a, and 2 raised to 2 is nothing but b. So can I write here a square minus b square is nothing but a plus b and a minus b. So simplify this, a plus b x square plus 2 square. Okay, and a is again x square minus 2 ka square. Getting this? Okay. So here the x square plus 4 will come. There will be a no change. But again this is x square minus a square. No? Again we can use the same identity over here. Then we can write here x plus 2, x minus 2. This is what the answer for first bit. Can you getting this? So how I applied the logic and how I use the identity double times in the same problem. तू सो के 5 चलो गो and color it. Go. Okay, copied this. हो गया. So चलो next one. So second one we can do. So here next one. 121 is the square root of 11y whole bracket square, and this I will write plus, that is 3z whole bracket square, minus I will write it 2 into 11 into 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 6 into 11 is 66. Here with y and z. So this is nothing but what? A minus b whole bracket square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the identity we are using. Whenever they are asking us solve with appropriate identity, you have to mention the identity. Okay, in correct way, then only they will give you full marks, otherwise they will not give. You wrote entire thing correct, but if you are not showing formula over there, they will cut the marks over here. Okay, so we can write here 11y plus 3z whole bracket square, sorry, minus, or you can write 11 minus 3z into 11y minus 3z. Okay, understood this? Copy. Is everyone getting how I did? हो गया? Everyone copied? Can I go for the next problem? Okay. So I will write for the next one. We'll go for the second last question from this worksheet. Okay.
तेच मी सांगायला लागले तो ऐकत नाही मेरी माने बोलला नाही जात आणि तो जायला लागला तरी
तो जाऊ दे. तू गप्प बस. So here they are asking 2p square plus 10p plus 10p minus 48. Okay, this is again we have to solve by splitting middle term method. Okay, so here what we have to do now, see here 2p square plus 10p and minus 48, they all are in the multiple of 2. So what I will do, I will divide 2 by each term. Okay, so I will divide here each term by 2. So here 2 divided by 2p square plus 10 divided by 2p minus 48 divided by 2, that is p square plus 5p minus here you will get 24. Okay, so again you will get a as a 1, b as a 5. A is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, and c is a constant term. Okay, a, b and c. So once you get this, then we can go for here a into c. 1 into minus 24 is equal to minus 24, and we have to split minus 24 into, so to get a addition it's minus is plus 10, or not plus 10, 5p or 5. So what you will get, check. How you will get 24? What are the factors? Can someone type how to take a factors of 24 such a way that their addition should be 5? Yes, does anyone know, those who are present here? Yes, anyone knows? Can you type? I will wait for your factors. So can we take 8 3s are 24? Okay, so here take 8 3s are, so you can write down here 8 3s are. So I want positive 5, so plus this is minus 8 minus 3 is nothing but 5. So p square plus 8p minus 3p minus 24. So I will take p common, here p plus 8. minus if I will take common minus and 3. So inside this bracket 3 plus 8. So again p plus 8 is common. Okay, and it will come p minus 3. Okay, so these are the factors for this question. Can you getting up to here? In your answer that is given 2 into 8 2 plus what x plus 8 x minus 3, that is also correct, but here I divided by 2, so no need to no issues. Okay, so here to divide that I already divided, so in your booklet that is given 2, that is also fine. Okay, so everyone can copy this or take a screenshot.
ह्याच्यावरती चेंज होत असतात कलर्स वरती चेंज हे सगळ्या कलरवरती चेंज होत.
Okay, finish this copied. Okay, so can we go for the next question? So this is the last question from your worksheet. So I hope everyone took the screenshot or maybe you are writing. Okay, then now we are doing last question. They gave here 8 x square y cube x cube minus x square minus 12x divided by, we have 2xy x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, so here you can first divide 2 4s are 8. Here 1x and this x is get cancelled. Y raised to 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. So here it will become what? 2. So here 4x y square will remain, and here you will get x cube minus x square minus 12x divided by, you will get here x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay. So now one more thing we'll do here. Can you take x common over here? Okay. So if you take x common, so 4x into x is nothing but x square y square, and this you will get x square minus x minus 12. Okay. Divided by, we can write x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay. Now this bracket you can arrange it in a proper way. Okay. 4x square y square. Arranging in a proper way means always decreasing in the powers of x. Yes, and this is a decreasing powers of x. So now once you get this, we have to go for the factorization of this. Okay, this entire bracket, and go for this also, because that is we have to solve by splitting middle term method. So I will solve here x square minus x minus 12. So here a is 1, b is minus 1, and c is minus 12. Okay, so a into c, that is nothing but 1 into minus 12 is minus 12. I have to divide 12 in such a way that their sum should come minus 1. So can I multiply 3 into 4, that is 12. I am getting 12, and if I take minus 4 and plus 3, I will get answer minus 1. So I will write here x square minus 3x, plus 3x minus 4x minus 12. So x, if you take common, x plus 3 and if you take here minus 4, then x plus 3. So again x minus 3, and here you will get x minus 4. So these are the factors I am getting for x square minus x minus 12. Okay, so here splitting middle term is very important, because this kind of equations we are doing in 9th as well as in 10th also. Okay, so now here we have x square plus 6x plus 9. So here again you can split it. A is 1, B is 6, C is 9. So A into C is nothing but 9. Split 9 in such a way that answer should come 6. So here we can write 3 3s are 9 with plus sign. So we can write here x square plus 3x plus 9. Okay. So I will take x common, x plus 3, and here I will take 3 common, x plus 3. So x plus 3 and here x plus 3. Okay. So these are the factors I got it over here. So now you can simplify this. Simplify this. Okay, these two factors right over here. So here 4x square y square, and here we got x plus 3, x minus 4. Okay, check here x plus 3, x minus 4 divided by, we got here x plus 3 and x plus 3. So this x plus 3 get cancelled. 4x square y square x minus 4 divided by x plus 3. This is what your final answer. So this question is for 4 mark, and check your worksheet answer key. That is the correct answer. Can you getting these questions? Okay, this all steps should come. Okay, then only you will get the full marks. Otherwise they will not give you the marks. Okay, getting this question. These all are very important questions from exam point of view. So we can do few more questions, and then we'll go for direct and indirect proportions. Okay. So I will give 1/2 hour break, and then only we can go for direct and indirect proportions. So still we want to do some factorization, so that our factorization becomes clear. Okay. Now write down next question. Factorize 21x square y square. I will write here. Okay, so those who are able to do, they can do and type the answers. Okay, they can type the answers in the chat box. Okay, and then I will also solve, and then we can verify. Okay, so I will write here the questions. We have to factorize it. Okay, this is first question. Second question is x square minus 16x plus 64. Okay, and then third one is that here minus 20x square plus 10x raised to 4. Okay, and another question 4, that is ax plus ay plus bx plus by. Okay, so these are the 4 questions we have. Try to solve by, yeah, this is previous year worksheet check. Okay, so you can start. So 21 and 27 are in the 3's table. Okay, 7 and multiply x into x. As is a MCQ, no steps are required. You can take direct common term, but I am solving step by step. So keep a habit for at least this year. Next year you can take directly common, no one will ask, because this chapter is nothing but factorization. Okay, so here 3 and 3 common, x square common, y square is also common. 3 x square y square take common, and here what will remain? 7 plus 9 x is common. That is remaining term. Okay, this is the answer. 3x square y square 7 plus 9x. The option here C. Okay. So now I will go for this third one. You can write it as minus 10 into 2 into x square. Okay. Plus 10 into x square. So I will take here 10 common and x square common. So here minus 2 plus here 1x square will remain. Or you can write here 10x square minus 2. This is what the answer you are getting. Okay, understood? Solve this. Getting? After this, by splitting middle term, a is 1, b is minus 16, c is 64. So a into c, that is nothing but 64. 64 you have to divide, so that their answer should come 16. So 64 is nothing but 8 8s are 64. You can take both are negative. Okay, so x square minus 8x plus 64. Okay, see, I am not taking my own factors. Okay, chalo, I feel like that I will take like this. No, always check what is middle term and what is the end term. Very important. Okay, and what sum we are expecting, according to that I did. So minus 8 if you add, we will get minus 16. Okay, so now here you can take x common and inside the bracket x minus 8 minus you can again take out 8 you can take out. So x, this plus will become minus as we took minus sign out. So here it will come 8. So x minus 8. So these are the factors. Okay. Or you can write it like this also. X minus 8 whole brackets. Understood? Now here this you can solve by regrouping method. A you can take common. So x plus y. And here you can take b common, so you get x plus y. So here you can write x plus y and here you can write a plus b. That's it. Okay. So these are the answers. Copy this much. I hope you are getting. Okay, copy this. If you are not getting, just type a message over there.
चलो आगे देखते हैं तो फुटबॉल देखते हैं मैं तो फुटबॉल ही अच्छा Messi.
Everyone copied? Done? So I will write down some questions. Check. I hope everyone copied this or everyone took the screenshot. Yes, everyone is finished. Okay. Okay. Someone message done. So I'll write few more questions. So they are asking which is not have a does not have x minus 2 as a factor. This question. Then after that they are asking us do this x square plus 6x plus 5 divided by x plus 5. Okay. And third question is that is factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square. Okay. And here they gave an option that is m raised to minus 4 second m square minus 2 and third they gave it as m minus 2 whole bracket square and last option that is m minus 2. So these are the questions. Okay. So this is not x minus 2, m minus 2. Okay. So can you try these questions? At least you can try for the third one, not third, second one. So already we did the splitting middle term method. Okay. Try third and second and then I will solve the first one. They are asking m minus 2 is not a factor. Okay, if you take a first bit m square minus 4, m square minus 4 is nothing but m square minus 2 square, that is m plus 2 m minus 2. That means that is a factor. Okay, now m square minus 2, m minus 2 whole bracket square and m minus 2. m minus 2 is also factor. This is factor, this is factor. No 2 or 3. Only these are the numbers. Okay, from that we have to find out which answer is the correct answer. Okay, so how can you identify here? So m minus 2, okay, m minus 2 is equated to 0, then m is equal to how much you will get 2. So that m you substitute here, then 2 minus 2 is 0. And here if you substitute m raised to n raised to 2, 2 raised to 2 is nothing but 4 minus 2, that is equal to 2 you will get. So answer, this is not a factor, they are asking not. Okay, all other options are what? Factors are there. So only second option is not a factor. Okay, because how we are solving m minus 2 is equal to 0, then m is equal to 2. So wherever you are keeping the value of m is 2, then that answer gives the 0. If the answer is 0, means that is a factor of that given equation. Okay, but that will not true in the second option. So that's what second is not have m minus 2 as a factor. Getting this? So now we'll go for third. So I will write. You can do directly as it is 1 mark question, but I am solving stepwise. So 3 4s are 12 into A into B plus 3 5s are 15 into A into B. So 3 and 3 common. Here A and A common, B and B common. So 3AB inside this bracket 4A plus 5B is the answer. Getting this, how to solve? Now here again write down first these terms. Okay, so x square plus 6x plus 5, that is a is nothing but 1, b is nothing but 6, and c is 5. So a into c, that is 1 into 5 is equal to 5. Split 5 in such a way that answer should come 6. So 5 ones are 5, both are positive, because 5 plus 1 is 6 and 5 into 1 is 5. Okay, so you can write x square plus 5x plus 1x plus 5. So here you can take x common, x plus 5, and here remaining is only x plus 5. So x plus 5 is again common, and x nothing is there, that means 1. So x plus 1. Question is not completed here, there is divided by x plus 5. So this is get cancelled and you will get x plus 1 is the answer. Okay, getting this? So like that you have to solve. This is all are for 1 mark question, but sometimes they will ask this question for 2 marks also. So that's what I solved in detail. Everywhere I use proper steps. Okay, so that everyone can understand. Getting this? Everyone is getting? Does anyone having doubt, queries? Does anyone is having doubts, queries, anything? If there, just let me know. Let me know. You can type the message in the chat box. Okay. So now what we can do, I will write some question and I will give you some time to solve that. Right. So here the question is that 3xyz inside the bracket x square 2xy plus y square divided by we have x plus y whole bracket square. This is for 1 mark question. Okay. Then second bit they are asking here x square plus x minus 72. Okay. So this also you can solve this. Yes, I will give you 2 more minutes. Try these questions. Okay. What that questions which I wrote on the board that you finished? You did that? You got the answer? Yes, another. Which all are getting the answers for these questions? Okay. So, can you able to solve? Can you able to solve or can I solve on the board? Okay, I will solve. You can also check, verify the answers along with me. So here we can't do anything. So 3xyz. But here this is identity now, x plus y whole bracket square. Okay, directly we can use the formula x plus y whole bracket square upon x plus y whole bracket square. These are get cancelled and you will get 3xyz is the answer. That's it. Now here you have to split by middle term. So here a is 1, b is 1, c is minus 72. So a into c is minus 72. So you have to factor 72 in such a way that the sum should come 1. 8 nines are 72. Okay. I will write here 8 and 9. This is plus and this is minus 1. 9 minus 8 is 1. And 8 into 9 is nothing but minus 72. So we can write here x square minus 8x plus 9x minus 72. Here we can write x minus 8 plus 9. So x minus 8. So x minus 8 and here you will get x plus 9. Okay, so here factors are x minus 8 and x plus 9. Okay, getting this? Understood? Okay, getting this? I hope everyone is copied this. Now next question I will read out. The product of two expressions is 4x square minus 100. If one of the factor is x plus 5, then find the other factor. Okay, I'll repeat. The product of two expression is 4x square minus 100 if one of the factor is x plus 5. So equation is given 4x square minus 100 and they are saying one factor is x plus 5. Okay. So one factor is x plus 5. So can I write this as a 2x whole bracket square and 100 that is 10 raised to 2. So can I use identity a square minus b square, that is a plus b and a minus b. Okay. So here can I write 2x minus 10 and 2x plus 10. Okay. So again if I take here 5 or 2 common. So you will get it how much? X minus 5 and in this bracket if I take again 2 common, then x plus 5. Okay. So this is what you are getting the answer. So here multiplication is there. Okay. So 2 into 2 is a 4. So 4 inside the bracket x minus 5 x plus 5. So one is x plus 5, then another should be x minus 5. Getting this? Understood? Means another should be remaining 4 into x plus 5. This is the answer. Sorry, 4 into x minus 5. So this is what the answer. Getting this? Don't forget that multiple, otherwise in Haribarili we are writing one function is x plus 5, then another should be x minus 5. No need. So here multiple is 4 present or there. Getting? Understood? Getting this? So now next one case based study is given. Source based question is there. Sona and Vipin are siblings. They plan to make surprise birthday cards on their mother's birthday. Sona used a thick rectangular sheet of paper to make the card. The area of a sheet is x square plus 10x plus 21. Vipin cut into another sheet of area x square plus 6x plus 9. Answer the following question based on the given information. So find the length and breadth of the Sona's sheet of paper in terms of x. Then find the length and breadth of the Vipin's sheet of paper in terms of x. and what is the shape of whipping sheet of paper. Okay, and 14 they are asking if the value of x is 2, then find the area of the Sona's sheet of paper. And based on that only 15th question is that if the length and breadth of whipping sheet of paper is increased by 2 units, then find the area of whipping sheet of paper in terms of x. Okay, so this is also easy question, only we have to split it into middle terms. Okay, so mostly case base or source base are mostly are splitting middle term only. Okay, so we can try to do that. So here Sona used. Okay, Sona के लिए this is Sona. Sona sheet is x square plus 10x plus 21 is the area, and in whippings the area is x square plus 6x plus 9. Okay, just now we did this question. Okay, so A is 1, B is 6 and C is 9. Okay, so A into C is 9. 9 we are dividing, splitting into 3 into 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So here x square plus 3x plus 3x plus 9. So take here x common, x plus 3 plus 3 you can take out, x plus 3. So take x plus 3 again out, then here you will get x plus 3. So this is what the length and breadth. This is nothing but length and this is breadth. So your length and breadth are same. That means this is maybe in a square shape. This is what in a square shape, because in square all the sides are what equal. So now we can do this again, compare with the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c. So a is 1, b is 10 and c is 21. So a into c is 21. So 21 we have to split. 7 3s are 21. Okay, and 7 plus 3 is nothing but what? 10. Okay, so we can write x square plus 7x plus 3x plus 21. So x square, or you can take x out. So x plus 7 plus 3 inside the bracket, x plus 24, x plus 7. So here x plus 7 again take common, and this is x plus 3. So here this is nothing but length and this is nothing but what? Breadth. So maybe this is what? A rectangle. Can you get it? So first that is 11th and 12th question answers we are getting. Okay, so 11th and 12th we finished. Then 13th also we finished. We concluded that whipping is having square sheet, a square shape of sheet, and this Sona is having rectangle sheet. Getting this? Now they are asking if the value of x is 2, find the area of a Sona's sheet of paper. So directly you can use no area, length is given, length into breadth. So here x plus 7 and x plus 3. So this is 2 is given, 2 plus 7 and 2 plus 3. So 7 plus 2 is 9 and 5. So 45 centimeter square is the area for Sona. Okay. Then if the length and breadth of the whipping sheet of paper is increased by 2 units, find the area of whipping sheet of paper in terms of V, in terms of X. Okay, that can you increase? So how can you increase by 2? 6 6 are 36. This is 3 plus 2 increases by 2. So 3x plus 3 plus 2 5. Okay. So x plus 5 and here x plus 5. Okay. Here they gave equation, but that formation of equation we don't have in our syllabus. Okay, understood this entire thing? Okay, getting this? Now one more here MCQ is given. Case based question is there. In a school auditorium, the set seats are arranged in a row and columns. The number of seats in the auditorium is expressed as x square plus 23x plus 132.
And
132. Based on this information, answer the following. Find the number of rows in terms of x if the number of column is x plus 12, and if the number of rows and columns if x is equal to 10. Okay, find out this splitting middle term method. Yeah, what you said? What? That is 9 into 5. I substituted the value for x. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 2. You just do the calculation by your own. Answer you will get 7 plus 2 is a 9 and another is 3 plus 2 is a 5. So 5 into 9 is nothing but 45. Okay, and in your worksheet that is a misprint. Okay. Yeah, that one only. 2 plus 7 and 2 plus 3. Okay. So last one, can you solve or can you do these questions? Now the next equation is given x square plus 23 plus 132. 23x plus 132. Now how can you find out the factors for this? So whenever these big numbers are there, then always go for the prime factorization. Okay. So now you can do a grouping in such a way that the answer should come 23. Okay. So 23. Now check. 2 into 3 is a 6. 11 into 2 is a 22. This also if you add subtract we will not get. Now 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. I got middle term how much? 30, 23. 23. And 11 is nothing but only 11. So if we add 11 plus 12 is nothing but 23 we are getting, and and 11 into 12 is nothing but 132, and both should come positive. Okay, so x square plus 12x plus 11x plus 132. So here x you take common, then x plus 12, and here if you take 11 common, x plus 12 I will get. So here x plus 12 and another will come x plus 11. So these are the school auditorium measurement. Okay. So find the number of rows if x number of columns are x plus 2. X plus 12. So x plus 12 are the columns and x plus 11 are the rows. Okay. So find the first term we finished. Then find the number of rows and column if x is equal to 10. So column are x plus 12. So here 10 plus 12 is nothing but 22. column, and rows are nothing but x plus 11, that is 10 plus 11 is nothing but how much? 21. Okay, so these are nothing but what? Rows we are getting. Understood? So we finished one previous year worksheet also. Just you can check, other questions also you can do. So I finished the revision for fractions. Okay, so now if you all are free, I will send you after half an hour one more link for direct and inverse proportion. Okay, so we can finish one more chapter. Okay, so I'll try to finish. If I am free, I will send you. I will give you the intimation before. Okay. Okay, thanks for joining. You can leave the meeting. I hope you understood the factorization numericals. Okay, you can leave. All can leave.